Hi, good evening. This is Raja Trader. In this video, I will show you how you need to activate your bot on daily basis. Just right click here on control panel in strategy. If you will see something here, you need to remove it. Otherwise, just right click on chart, right click on strategy. After that, click on trade with Raja bot version 2. Click here, add. This is by default. Just you need to change your setup here. In setup, just need to select your account like this and just enable it, apply. Okay, so here you can see the bot is activated and you will see all the charts, all the indicators already activated. And after that, you need to click here and click on the same account which you put it inside. And same here in gold, you need to right click here, strategy. After that, click here, add it. And for the gold, you need to just click on templates, load, MGC, click on load. After that, just you need to select, you change your account here, click enable, and the bot will be activated. So this one daily, once you will turn on your system, you need to do this one. And here you need to select also your account. So in this way, your bot will be turned on. Thank you. If you have any question, you can reach me anytime. Thank you.